Hello and Namaste everyone. Myself Sunita Singh at my YouTube channel Fundamental English. My today's topic is sounds of vowel O. As usual, I am going to start with a schwa sound. What is a schwa sound? Schwa sound is a reduced vowel sound. It is voiced very slightly, and the symbol of schwa sound is this small e written upside down, and it is voiced as O. This schwa sound is symbol and sound both are the same in all the vowels, all 5 vowels, and also semi vowel y. For example, the words are Monday, symptoms, random, custom, confirm. All the O's in all these words are voiced as O. Next comes short sound. Short sound of vowel O, symbol is this small a written in reverse manner, and it is voiced as O. O, a short O, uttered in just a single breath, like on, off, ox, cock, lock, etc. Next comes long sound of O. Long sound symbol is this a half circle like C but opposite to C in direction, and 2 dots behind it. 2 dots alone indicate that this symbol is for a long vowel sound, and long vowel O is voiced as O. O. For example, as in the word go, no, so, ago, oval, local, etc. This long O has 7 spelling patterns. Sound is the same, long O, but spellings are different, and they are, I think, different 7 ways of spellings are there for long O sound. One is this single O, as we saw in the words go, so, no, ago, and oval, local, vocal, etc. Next is O. Very few words are like this. Example words are door, floor. The third spelling pattern for long O sound is OA. As we see in these words goal, coal, road, soap, both, etc. Next OE. For example, toe, fo, do, wo. Number 5, OW. This is also for sound long O, voiced as O, as in row, low, show, snow, elbow, tomorrow, etc. The 6th spelling pattern for long O sound is OUGH, as in words do, though, although. So we have seen the 6 spelling patterns of long O sound, and the 7th one is a consonant, then O, again a consonant, then E. So we can call it O-E, as we see in the words rose, nose, etc. So let's see the 7th long O spelling pattern. That is a consonant, O, again a consonant, and E. This is the 7 pattern of spelling for long O sound. Examples are rose, nose, road, or vote. We see consonant O, again consonant E, consonant O, consonant E. So these were the 7 spelling patterns for long O sound words. Next, we will see the words which are spelled with vowel O and voiced as U. So let's see First of all, we'll see short. Short U sound words. Short U. U is voiced as short U in two different ways. First of all, we'll see this symbol. This is voiced as O. O. For example, blood or flood. There is a long list of the words which have long U and short U words. Short U, one more symbol is this, and the symbol for long U sound is this, U with two dots. So, see the words, for example, like good, wood, stood, foot, and cook or look. The same spelling O, but the sound is long U, as in we see food, mood, root, shoot, etc. So we see the spelling is same, but the sound is short sound, long sound, and one more short sound of U. You can see few more words. So we see the same spelling O is voiced in three different ways for U sound. Short U sound as O, blood, flood. Short U sound as U, good, wood, should, stood, etc. Long U sound, food, mood, root, shoot, etc. It was root. So next we'll see diphthong sounds. Diphthong sounds of vowel O. Diphthong sounds. Diphthong sounds, one is symbol is O, A. O, U. Sorry, it is U. This symbol is read as U. And the examples are like tour or poor. Poor. Next symbol is OE. O E. This symbol is voiced as O, and spelling patterns are two for this only sound. One is O Y and the other is O I. Let's see the examples like annoy, enjoy, or envoy. Next is OE, coin, soil, toil, etc. So we see three different spellings and three different sounds and two symbols. Sound is actually the same because one symbol is for one kind of sound. So this sound, diphthong sound, has two spelling patterns. This U, also two different spellings are there. So these were the examples and symbols of sound O vowel. I hope I could make it clear enough. So please keep watching, sharing. Please do write comments and click on the bell icon so that you may be timely informed. Thank you for watching.